So how do you set the default browser on the iPhone? Let me show it to you and explain how it would work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So this can be found when you go to the main settings app. So we don't actually go to the browser app to begin with, but we go to the main settings where at the bottom we have the apps menu. And again, we don't even have to scroll through anything because literally the first thing on the list is the default apps, but it's default apps of various different categories. You can see like default emailing app from those options and so on, right? Like messages and all of the others. And there is most definitely going to be the browser app. And you can see I have three options. I have Google Chrome, DuckDuckGo, and Safari. So if I want to change it to something else, definitely have the option to. And practically it just means that if I click on a link somewhere or there is a website which gets opened, you know, when I tap something, whatever, it chooses the browser which I pick here as the default one where it opens up the website. So yeah, that's how it works. Of course, you can as well uninstall like the DuckDuckGo and Chrome, and you already have the Safari default, right? Because there isn't any other option, but that's essentially it. You know, I'm not gonna make the video any longer than it really needs to be. So let me know what you think, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.